Guys, today we talk about how can you link account on your Lumosity app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on more down here, and just click here on more. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on account settings. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do now, just click on edit profile here. So then it's going to take you to next step here. So you just switch into open video like this. Then you go down, you come here to connect to Facebook here. Then here can you link with your Facebook on your Lumosity app. So that's all you have to do. Just follow these ways that it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.